Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of engineering, history, and legacy, the Altai tractor plant, or Altavskij Traktornij Zavod. For those unfamiliar, the Altai tractor plant is one of the most iconic symbols of Russia's industrial might, having shaped the landscape of agricultural machinery production for decades. In today's video, we'll explore what makes this plant stand out, its rich heritage, and how it continues to influence the global machinery market. Let's kick off by taking a look at the history behind this legendary factory. Established in 1942, the Altai tractor plant began its journey during a time of global turmoil. Originally set up to meet the heavy demands of World War II, the plant quickly became one of the leading manufacturers of agricultural tractors, crucial to boosting agricultural productivity in post-war Soviet Russia. Over the years, it not only provided the backbone for local farming communities but also established itself as a powerhouse in the Soviet industrial sector. As we fast forward through the decades, the plant grew significantly, contributing to key industrial advancements. It wasn't just about producing tractors. Altai tractor plant became a pioneer in engineering, always pushing boundaries in the development of machinery designed to help farmers, enhance agricultural efficiency, and streamline the process of cultivation. The introduction of various innovative models, including the widely recognized DT75, helped solidify its place in the history of machinery manufacturing. In the 21st century, the Altai tractor plant faced numerous challenges. Following the dissolution of the Soviet Union and the shift toward a more market-oriented economy, the plant had to adapt to new business realities. Like many state-owned factories, it encountered financial troubles and competition from international companies. However, despite these obstacles, the Altai tractor plant continued to hold a strong position within the Russian market and beyond, thanks to its ability to innovate and maintain its legacy of producing durable, high-quality equipment. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Altai tractor plant is its ability to adapt to modern technological demands while maintaining the essence of its Soviet-era craftsmanship. In recent years, the company has embraced new technologies and international partnerships to expand its reach globally. The plant's tractors and other machinery are highly sought after for their durability and efficiency, especially in regions where tough working conditions require equipment that can stand the test of time. So, what's next for the Altai tractor plant? As the world shifts towards automation and smart technologies, the company is positioning itself as a forward-thinking entity. They're not only continuing to refine their existing models but are also investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead in the competitive field of machinery production. The emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly technologies is also something the plant is keen on, with a focus on reducing emissions and increasing fuel efficiency. But beyond just machinery, the Altai tractor plant represents much more. It's a symbol of resilience, progress, and the spirit of innovation. Its legacy is built not only on the products it creates but also on the generations of workers, engineers, and visionaries who have poured their hearts into making it what it is today. In conclusion, the Altai tractor plant isn't just a factory. It's a monument to the power of industrial innovation, and its place in Russia's history cannot be overstated. As we look towards the future, it's clear that the plant will continue to evolve, ensuring that its legacy remains intact, while embracing the challenges and opportunities that come with the modern world. So, if you want to learn more about the Altai tractor plant and its amazing history, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of heavy machinery and industrial marvels.